Hello friends, welcome in my classroom. In previous class we have learned number, shape and size of cell. And now in this class we will learn types of cell. So friends, on the basis of nucleus, cells are of two types. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So firstly we will understand the nucleus, so that the concept will be easy to understand that how the cells are differ from each other. So let's see, this is the picture of the nucleus. In this nucleus you are seeing the outer membrane. This is called the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. It is called the nuclear membrane or the nuclear envelope. And in the nuclear membrane, you are seeing the pores are present in between the nuclear membrane. These pores are called the nuclear pore. These are the nuclear pore. And inside the nucleus, you can see the thread-like structure is spreaded inside the nucleus, that is called the chromatin, consists of the DNA and chromosomes. And this structure you are seeing, this is the nucleus of this nucleus. And the living fluid present inside the nucleus, this living fluid, it is called, when it is present inside the nucleus, then it is called the nucleoplasm. It is called the nucleoplasm. This is the basic structure of the nucleus. Now I want to show you the images that will help you to understand the concept very well. Here you are seeing the picture in which you are seeing a box, and in that box there is a scattered jewelry. Here and there is a scattered the jewelry. There is not in a proper form and not is compiled. So this is a mean in which the jewelry is scattered. And on the other hand, you can see the another box in which you are seeing the jewelry that is kept in the different boxes that compiled with the different bounded boxes. So it is properly arranged in the box. Now you can compare the both boxes. Then one box you are seeing the scattered jewelry, and the another box you are seeing the assembled jewelry in proper form. So why I am showing you that boxes, the jewelry boxes in that topic. So there is a main point that I want to explain with this easy example. So please keep in mind these images. Now please move forward to the topic, that is the types of cells. So my dear friends, as I already told you, the cells are of two types on the basis of nucleus. So my dear friends, the types of cell, these are of two types. The how many types, what are the types? These are the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Now, what is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? So, as I already show you the structure of the nucleus, as on the basis of the nucleus, the cells are of the two types, the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. And dear friends, the word prokaryotic and eukaryotic, it took from the Greek, which means the pro means before or primitive, means those are not properly developed, they are the primitive, जो बहुत अच्छे से develop नहीं होते हैं, they are called the primitive. Next, the karyote. So, the karyote means kernel or nucleus, means the type of cells in which the nucleus is primitive. So, that type of cells are called the prokaryotic cells. And as I show you in the box, there where the jewelry is jumbled in the box. Now, U means well or true, means जो पूरी तरीके से developed है, the developed. And karyote means kernel or nucleus, means the well developed nucleus, that is called the eukaryotic cell. The well developed nucleus is found in the eukaryotic cells. And the size of the cells is also differ. So in prokaryotic cell, the size is very small. It is about to 0.125 micrometer. Whereas in the eukaryotic cell, the size of the cell is 5 to 100 micrometer. So my dear friends, the organisms that are made up of the prokaryotic cells, they are called prokaryotes, and the organisms that are made up of the eukaryotic cells, they are called eukaryotes. And now we will go through, let's begin with a cell structure. Here you are seeing a cell that is a prokaryotic cell, and it is a bacterial cell. In that cell you are seeing the DNA that is spreaded in the bacterial cell. The nucleus is spreaded in the bacterial cell. It is not bounded in any envelope. It is not having the membrane bound cell organelle. And the ribosomes that are also spread, the blue dotted structure, these are the ribosomes. These are spreaded in the cell. So that nuclear material that is spreaded in the cell, this nuclear material which is spreaded in the cell, this is made up of the nucleic acid. So that nucleic acid that is formed, that called the nucleoid. Now please comparison this organism, this bacterial cell, with that image that I show you, the scattered jewelry. There is no proper arrangement, as you can see in the same cell. And on the other hand, as we will see the another cell, that is called the eukaryotic cell. That is called the eukaryotic cell, and it is an animal cell. In that animal cell, you can see there are the different cell organelle. The different cell organelle, they are arranged in proper shape. You can see the different cell organelles like the mitochondria, the Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, and the most important thing, that is the nucleus. Here you are seeing the nucleus. It is membrane bound, and the DNA, it is found inside the nucleus. It is covered with the nucleus, and this the blue structure you are seeing, it is called the nucleus, that is inside the nucleus that we have learned in the first picture of the nucleus. So my dear friends, you are seeing a well organized cell it is, and the different cell organelles that are found in the cell, they are not present in the prokaryotic cell. So now you can resemble the pictures, this animal cell as eukaryotic cell and the box that I show you, that well arranged box. So these different cell organelles like the mitochondria, the Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum and the ribosomes, they perform the different functions. So in that cell you can see the difference in that cells. So you are seeing the major difference that I told you. The nucleus in that cell, the nucleus is having the nuclear envelope. The membrane bound nucleus is found in the eukaryotic cell and the DNA is in the nucleus. And in this cell you are seeing the nuclear material is spreaded in the cell, not having any nuclear membrane. So my dear friends, now one more thing that I want to tell you, that is the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, because the cell is living, so in the nucleus it is having the fluid that I told you, that the nucleoplasm. And my dear friends, the cell, it also contains the living fluid. Here it is also contains the living fluid, and that living fluid is called the cytoplasm, that present in between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. So the living fluid of the cell that present in between the nucleus and the plasma membrane is called cytoplasm, and the present inside the nucleus, that is called the nucleoplasm. And the both together they are called the protoplasm that we. So friends, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम स्टडी करेंगे द डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द cell and the cell organelles. So to continue watching the upcoming videos, please like, share and subscribe my video. Okay, thank you.